granting a major relief to homebuyers. The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, or NCDRC, in the case of Vikas Garg versus Estate Officer, Consumer Complaint number 272 of 2019, has held that if the builder fails to complete the project on time, the homebuyer has a right to seek a refund. Moreover, the builder will have to refund the entire amount to the buyer and cannot insist on deducting the earnest money received in terms of the agreement. In 2011, the Greater Mohali Area Development Authority launched a project named Puram Premium Apartments in Sector 88, SS Nagar, Mohali. Here, the buyer applied for a flat in the general category and deposited the earnest money as required. After the draw, the authority allotted a flat to the buyer and issued a letter of intent for the same. Over time, the buyer deposited part of the consideration for the said flat and paid approximately 95% of the total price to the authority. As per the letter of intent, the authority had to complete the project within 36 months. However, the authority sent the offer of possession to the buyer only after a delay of 13 months. After receiving the offer of possession, when the buyer visited the site, he found out that his flat was not complete, and, without his consent, the authority had reduced the area of the project by 50%, and the super area of his flat was also increased. When the buyer asked the authority to cancel his allotment and refund his amount paid with compound interest at the rate of 18%, the authority claimed that as per the conditions of the agreement, it would refund the money to the buyer only after deducting 10% of the earnest money. Being aggrieved, the complainant approached NCDRC, and after hearing the parties, NCDRC held that in case the builder fails to complete the project as per its brochure, or fails to hand over the flat to the consumer within the promised time, the buyer has a right to cancel his booking. NCDRC held that the demand raised by the complainant seeking refund of earnest money in view of delay in completion of the project is completely justified, and the authority cannot deduct any earnest money while refunding the amount paid to the homebuyer. Hopefully, this judgment will protect the rights of the buyers and ensure that buyers will receive their entire amount with interest without any arbitrary deductions in case of delay in the project. Please tell us your views in the comments. Please also share this video and subscribe to this channel for legal updates.